For the first time in a long while, Emeka wan turn a new leaf. After all the wahala from island levels, Instagram lies, EFCC pursuit and Bevalicious' wig still hanging in his wardrobe, our guy finally say make I go legit. After countless job applications and fake motivational quotes like "hustle go pay," Emeka lands a job at Global Self Connect, a call center based in Ikeja but working for Oyibo clients in Canada. Every day, Emeka wear one tight office shirt and tie like say im dey audition for HR. But his workstation, one plastic table, laptop on two empty Indomie cartons and an extension cord that looked like it fought in Biafra war. But e no send. Remote work na remote work as long as dem dey send salary. One fateful Monday morning, Emeka dress well for his big Zoom meeting with a new American client. He even clean the camera lens with hypo and wipe his face with powder. Everything dey perfect. Just as e start, the client said, "So, Emeka, walk me through the customer satisfaction metrics." NEPA off light like thief. Emeka blink like gecko. The laptop begin show 4% battery. E panic, rush plug gen no start. Chai! Who carry the plug? His neighbor, Mama Titi, drag the gen, shouting, "No be only you dey use gen, abi dem employ you alone for call center?" Emeka quickly light candle, shift it behind his laptop like say na international design. He return to Zoom with serious face. The client said, "Emeka, is that a candle?" Emeka smiling, "Oh, yes sir, it's Lagos mood lighting for focus." Clients still dey talk when generator roars like angry lion, baby cry like trailer pass over foot, neighbor shout, "Gbagbe o, mo ti get am." Forget it, I have got it. Client paused, confused. Emeka freeze, candle flicker, casting shadows on his face like ghost. As if NEPA no do enough, Lagos rain start with thunder like judgment day. The zinc roof turn to talking drum. His hotspot cut. His neighbor's son begin play drum with spoon beside his laptop. Emeka muted, teeth clenched. Na God go punish rain. When Emeka finally log back in, his Oyibo client don vanish. His manager sent a message, "Please report to office tomorrow. We need to discuss your remote work environment." Emeka show up at the Ikeja office soaked like boiled okra. Generator dey run, but light dey blink. AC no dey, mosquito dey interview people inside HR. His manager look am and say, "Emeka, I admire your commitment, but maybe just work from here." Emeka sigh, "Make una give me desk close to socket, and abeg una get umbrella for return journey." Later, during another Zoom interview for promotion, light cut mid-question. Emeka calmly lights a candle, smiles confidently into the camera and says, "In Lagos, we no dey wait for light, we be the light." HR man from Canada claps. Promotion land. Emeka, now respected in his compound as the man wey get remote work, but every Zoom meeting still end with one of the following: dog barking inside kitchen, Mama Rashida selling pepper in background, 500 naira last, final, EFCC guy run from jogging past the window. But our guy dey chop salary and post again with Instagram caption, "Soft life, NEPA no fit stop destiny." Na so Lagos life be, from Aja to EFCC chase to call center candle light. Emeka still dey survive. But wait o, next season Emeka go enter politics, or na TikTok influencer he wan become? Stay tuned for Lagos Wahala season 6, Minister of Enjoyment. Lagos traffic is mad, but love even madder. After surviving EFCC chases, fake Instagram live and NEPA wahala, Emeka swears to focus on peace until he meets Amaka, a beautiful no-nonsense keke driver stuck in Third Mainland traffic bridge. One insult turns into small talk, then laughter, then unexpected sparks. Can love survive when the horn is louder than your heartbeats? In episode 6 of Lagos Wahala, expect romance in road rage, fight for love at Ojota Junction, downfall drivers playing matchmaker, Amaka past catching up like lasma, viral proposal at Mile 2 with pure water in hand. Love, Lagos style, full of drama, pepper and wahala. Get ready for the widest traffic jam of the earth.